My name's Nick Dennis. I'm the Sustainability and Planning Lead for Hanson Construction Materials. My role is predominantly to look after anything to do with sustainability, environmental, health, safety, you name it, and that ranges from all of Queensland. The way it really started was we realised quite quickly that traditional monitoring techniques and reporting there was challenges in investigating root causes of exceedances and things like that. We spoke to GCG and they came to us with a solution, which was to look at monitoring in real time, so pinpointing specific tasks and then being able to look at those exposure sources directly, which I instantly saw a lot of value in it, and that's why we decided to go down the path of using real-time monitoring.
Exposi is a web application purpose designed for industry to efficiently control their worker exposures. It's done through visualising those exposures so they can push that through to control. Exposi really started when our clients were maturing and identifying the exposures to workers. We built a system that enables them to take action really quickly, to be able to reduce the risk to workers and be able to share that and demonstrate that in best practice through video and data combined. Workers are wearing a wearable device that monitors those conditions in real time, say for dust. That data then gets put into the system so that you can visualise those exposures. Once that data is securely within Exposi, ready-made dashboards are available for different users to be able to have access to that information and analyse that data. That may include things like peak analysis or looking at a comparison between different controls and the performance of those. At a click of a button, that data can be displayed in reports, shared externally or internally within the system. And ultimately, that video and data comparison can be pulled together and shared for best practice insights within the business or across industry as well.
The value for us was being able to significantly and drastically reduce the exposure overall, which meant lower operational risk, lower operational costs in terms of ongoing monitoring. Using the GCG platform has been really good for us. I've been able to pull reports off straight away and then share them across the business. We've also utilised it quite efficiently and quite effectively as an educational tool. So being able to take those videos and that data straight to the guys on the ground who were directly impacted by those exposures, sitting down with them and letting them see exactly what was going on. There's definitely a behavioural shift for the guys who are impacted. So being able to show them what their exposures look like while they're undertaking their daily and routine tasks made it really obvious to them what was happening in a situation where they previously weren't able to visualise or see, or may have even been entirely unaware of what was going on. Ideally, I'd like to see all of our high-risk sites in Australia utilising real-time monitoring.